Introducing Ceramic Pro Marine, the ultimate protection designed to make boating easy. Our coating creates a semi-permanent shield against heavy water, oil, and buildup. Ceramic Pro Marine is a protective barrier between fish grime and your boat. Ceramic Pro Advanced nanotechnology will preserve all your surfaces from staining. No longer do you have to worry about spending hours cleaning your boat after an outing. Ceramic Pro Marine is guaranteed to cut your cleanup time in half. Leaving the water is now effortless. Ceramic Pro Marine. Boating made easy.